Hey there, if your Firestick just won't connect to Wi-Fi, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps that actually work. Stick around, we'll fix it together. First, try a simple restart. From the Firestick home screen, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and hit Restart. Or just unplug the power cable from your Firestick, wait 60 seconds and plug it back in. Easy, right? Now restart your router. Unplug your modem, router, and any Wi-Fi extenders or hotspots. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in. Even if your phone or laptop is working fine, the router might just need a reset to reconnect to your Firestick properly. If that didn't work, let's make the Firestick forget your Wi-Fi network and connect again. Go to Settings, then Network. Highlight your Wi-Fi name, press the menu button. That's the 3 lines on your remote. Select Forget this network. Now choose it again, re-enter your password, and connect. That clears old connection settings and can often fix the issue instantly. Still no luck? Let's talk interference. If you're using a 2.4 GHz network, it has more range but is slow and often crowded. Try switching to a 5 GHz network. If your router supports it, it's faster, with less interference, but the signal doesn't go as far. So, just make sure your router is closer to the Firestick, within 20 to 30 feet, or elevate it. Also, reduce interference by keeping the Firestick away from metal microwaves or Bluetooth devices. You can even use a free phone app like Wi-Fi Analyzer to check your signals. If nothing else worked, you can do a factory reset. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and hit Reset to factory defaults. Hit Reset again. This wipes everything, but when you log back in with your Amazon account, your apps will come back. You'll just need to re-enter passwords and tweak some settings again.